Mom, she is putting barbecues on our
Trey,
chicken.
can you go out there and get me
What is my favorite chicken? She is putting nice and good barbecues. You could come to our selling too. And I help too, so it's good. My mom is putting barbecues over our onions and regular chicken. Mom, what kind of chicken is that? And that, Mom, what's in that pot?
I'm making the juice for the green beans.
Juice for green beans.
I'm gonna give you the lessons on how to do a cheat meal 101.
That is our broad juice soup. Juice.
Girl, you be looking at it when you're around that open.
That is our casserole now.
Girl, what happened on the season banana on half a hair night?
And this is my brother. What? That's not the daughter. He's graduating.
Okay.
Mom, say hey.
Then.
Mom, say hey.
Hey, Kamari.
I said hey to the camera.
Hey, camera.
Hey, say hey to this way.
So you think this enough?
To say hey, y'all. Daddy, say hey. And let's come over here. That's all our food. See, that's all our food. See, food. That's our bananas and strawberries. Strawberries and bananas.
Okay, Kamara, you said you wanted to help me. I need you to go in there and get your stuff up.
And then we're going all the way over here. And this is Batman. Just the way, just comes to the barbecue cell. That is literally that's our bookshop in the bathroom. And he just closed his door. Man, what you doing? That's my house. He playing his music. That's his house in his level. This is all our houses. That's my dead car. I'm gonna let y'all get a better look. See? That's my dad's car. Okay. That's my car. Our car on the other side, that's not a car. That's my uncle's car. Don Monty's shoes. This is... Oh, I forgot to show y'all. This is his... Congratulations. Yeah. That's my mom graduation. That's my mom. This is Impact Academy. That's right here. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the best part of it. His feet is under, so just to let you know.
Look, Kamara, did you get that DVD up? Put that in there on my dresser.
And this is our music. And my mom braids and do it again. And my brother and my daddy. This is a TV show. And this is our daughter, the mail was absolutely mine. These are my earrings. Y'all see those little pecks right there? Those are my earrings. Here's all the stuff. And that, but I forgot to show y'all the most fun part. This is our candle lighting up. Bathroom, toilet, showers, clothes. Everything is perfectly. Go on kamaria.com and eat a latte.
You do? I just made one the other day. Can you give me the rest so the gelatin is not the jello? Right.
See, my mom, how we make recipe. I'm gonna show y'all what my recipe. See, this is our first recipe. They're good too. I'll let y'all read the name of it. These come in public, so get it.
You made that whole recipe.
Okay, and this one says everyday size. And this one is some
And you know what? I ain't even need that much.
see, Caribbean, broccoli, chicken salad.
One can gonna be enough. Look.
I'm gonna make sure y'all get a good look at this.
Yeah, you sent me that, but you didn't tell me you made the pie. That's why your internet that slow on your out there. You trying to become a chef. Chef Sherelle, I hear you. Now look, pick up all that mess and put that phone down. Go do your timetable.
These are all the things. Please, I'm gonna put them on the ground for a minute. Woo.
I ain't heard that about no pie.
See, that's our chicken pillow. Some chicken pillow. I don't know what the heck that is. A chicken pillow. And then we got some ball concealers. Get them all from plug. Look, just grab them for.
I bet you were real good.
See, that's it. I know y'all just saw the first one. That's the one I'm throwing right away. We got game time chicken. Oh, that's gonna taste so good. Okay, party munchkins. Snack attack. Some else. We just pasta with scalapia. 1 pot of macaroni and cheese. Chicken street noodles. Sour Italian yogurt with herb and granola. Chicken casserole spaghetti. Grilled steak and potato salad. Chili. Maple pork. And that's it. These are all the recipes. Okay. Those are all the recipes. All the recipes. And these are what we got. Congratulations. This some special. We got some green. Our juice is almost ready. See, look, those are all our greens. Let's show them the greens. Let's see how my mom do this. She's spreading the greens out. Splash, and her hands are clean too, though. And now she is putting them down. Oh, no, she didn't. No, she didn't.
Turn it back on.
She over here straightening.
Good cook. I don't know how you cook with gloves on.
That's just nasty.
Go get me that top to go on this pan. I don't know how you do it. Girl,
We're gonna come over here. We're gonna take your grain with our buckets to put on the grain. Oh, we got some French toast. We got a game. That is the end of the story. YouTube, I hope you like this. Bye.